Oh, you're really getting them angry now.
They're fine.
Ruh-roh.
They're fine. Just set her down in there. And shake it. Quick shake. I'm gonna flick it.
Boy, that's going to make them go everywhere. Kenny, you sure you want to do that?
They will, but if the queen goes in the box, then they will come back. They will fly, but as long as the queen goes down in the box, they will follow the queen back into the box. Ready? Yep. Hey, don't do that. Just hold on. Put the frames in there. Just calm down. You're all excited. Hoping to see.
You're hoping to find the queen, right?
As long as she don't fly right back out. And the big thing with the limbs is making sure you get the limbs with the scent on it in there. Just don't smoosh one because that's when they really get the picture.
I didn't do it, fellas.